In this video, we're going to show you how to remove the suspension springs on your washer. In order to remove the suspension springs on your washer, you need to be able to get access to them. On this top-load washer, in order to get at our suspension springs, we need to remove the cabinet. And to do that on this machine, it's very easy. We just need a putty knife that we're just going to install between this seam between the cabinet and the upper console. So that'll allow us to flip the console back so we can get at the clips that hold the cabinet in place. Now your washer may be different. You may actually have to just lean your machine back to get at your suspension springs or take off your back panel. But our goal here today is to show you your suspension springs, what they may look like, what impact that they have, and how to remove them. So now we'll just release the catch on the other side. That'll allow the console to flip back. Now this machine also has a lid switch with a wiring harness that we need to unhook just by prying that up and wiggling it off. And now we can take our blade screwdriver, just insert it into the catch, pull back, and it releases that latch. And we'll do the same thing on the other side. Prying to the back and release the catch. With that catch removed, we can now remove the cabinet from the machine simply by tipping it forward. So we're going to show you on this particular machine how to remove these springs. On your machine they may be a little bit different or a different location, but they're doing the same effect. So if you're finding you get vibration or your machine is dancing around, you may need to be taking a look at these and possibly replacing them. So the first one we're going to look at is this one here in the back. It's just a vertical spring. It's very easy to change. And its whole purpose is to offset the weight of the motor that's in the front. So if that spring breaks or it stretches, then you're going to get a lot of movement. So to remove it, you're just going to reach in and pull down to release it. Just swing it around and remove the top hook out of that bracket. And the spring's that easy to remove. This spring is attached in a way, so its purpose is to counteract that twisting motion of your tub. And to remove it, we're going to have to remove this bracket. In this case, it's just done with a 1/4-inch nut driver. Now there is a bit of a tension on it, so I just put my thumb against it. Take that 1/4-inch screw out. Just going to ease the bracket off, take the tension off the spring. Slide up out of its holder, and I'll just undo with the spring off of the bracket. And it's that easy to remove.